This afternoon, we gather to recognize the innovators and innovations that are moving our industry forward. For over 2 decades, the Best of Sensors Awards has shone a spotlight on the best and most innovative products, technologies, teams, and people in the sensors industry. Presented by Sensors Converge and Fierce Electronics, today we will be awarding for the following categories: Aerospace and Space, AI and Machine Learning, Automotive and Autonomous Technologies, Connectivity, Data Acquisition and Analytics, Industrial IoT, Industrial Sensors, Instrumentation and Test, Medical, MEMS, Optical and Cameras, Wearables. In addition, we will recognize the following individual awards: Startup of the Year, Woman of the Year. They say a rising tide lifts all boats. Well, after looking at this year's finalists, the tide is indeed rising for all of us. So get those clapping hands ready and let's celebrate.
Good afternoon, all. Hope you've had an enjoyable and productive first day here at Sensors Converge. Like the video said, our community is built on innovation and excellence. Programs like this award ceremony are essential for recognizing both the tech and people who are responsible for these achievements. Now, let's get started celebrating these participants. The first category is Aerospace and Space. The finalist companies are Innovation AG and Essentia Imaging. The winning company has introduced a fundamentally new concept in machine vision. Their bio-inspired intelligent technology offers unprecedented advantages over conventional machine vision systems and is the world's first neuromorphic technology to reach orbit. And the winner is Innovation AG with their dynamic vision sensor.
I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. Waiting on this for a while now.
Unfortunately, it's the first award and the winner couldn't be here, but we gladly accept on their behalf. The next category is AI and machine learning. The finalists are Aspinity, Applied Brain Research, Flex Logic, and Soul Robotics. The winner in this category is the industry's first and only tiny ML processor to enable feature extraction, inferencing, and classification of sensor events at the sensor edge, completely in the analog domain. And the winner is Aspinity with their AML100 analog machine learning processor.
It's a beautiful day. I can't stop myself from smiling. If I'm drinking, then I'm buying. And I know there's no denying. It's a beautiful day to send this up. The music's playing. And if it's starting raining.
The next category is Automotive and Autonomous Technologies. And the finalist companies are Preact Technologies, Amphenol, AMS Osram, Analog Devices, Septon, Owl Autonomous Imaging, Zenomatics, and Molex. The winning company is the industry's first sensor designed to be software definable and integrate easily into a complete autonomous driving system stack. It is also the industry's first sensor designed to be software definable and integrate easily into a complete autonomous driving system for automakers as well as trucking and robotic applications. And the winner is Preact Technologies with the Preact T30P flash LiDAR.
Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder.
The next category is connectivity, and the finalist companies are Synaptics and InPlay Inc. The winning product is an industry first in that it is an integrated system on chip that combines Wi-Fi 6, 6E, Bluetooth 5.2 with BLE audio and high accuracy distance measurement and IEEE 802.15.4 with built-in support for the Thread protocol and Matter application layer. And the winner is Synaptics Inc. with their SYN 4381 triple combo SoC triple combo.
Beach house in Miami. Wake up with no jammies. Lobster tail for dinner. Julio served that scampi. You got it if you want it. Got it if you want it. Said you got it if you want it. Take my wallet if you want it now. Jump in the Cadillac. Girl, let's put some miles on it. Anything you want.
The next category is data acquisition and analytics. The finalists are Sourceability and Astronova. The winning product is a first-in-its-class case management tool that gives engineers and purchasers access to next-generation market intelligence about component selection as well as supply chain risk scores related to market availability, pricing history, and inventory fluctuations, all in one site. And the winner is Sourceability with DataLink.
One foot in front of the other. One foot in front of the other. Ooh, we have is each other.
Next, we have the industrial IoT category. The finalists are Ubiqua, Archimedes Controls Corp., Reality AI, SAS, Sensata Technologies, and Servato Corp. The winning product features several advanced capabilities that help cities lower their streetlight energy consumption and reduce their operations on maintenance costs. When plugged into any streetlight, the UB cell enables customers to dim and schedule lights based on different requirements throughout the city, including sunrise and sunset offsets. And the winner is Ubiqua with their UB Cell Streetlight Controller.
This is gonna be the best day of my life.
Doesn't look like Ubiqua could make it, but we will accept this on their behalf. The next category is industrial sensors. The finalists are Link Labs, Instrumentation, Analog Devices, Percolation Consulting, Infineon Technologies, RV Magnetics, Touch Sensity, and Murata Electronics. The winning product is a first-of-its-kind commercial IoT tracking device that blends 4 different technologies: GPS, GNSS, Wi-Fi location lookup, cell ID, and indoor positioning network to provide continuous end-to-end visibility of assets in both indoor and outdoor environments. And the winner is Link Labs with their rechargeable Super Tag.
Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel.
Okay, we're halfway there. The next category is instrumentation and test. The finalists are Cold Quanta and Hioki USA. The winning product is an advanced quantum RF sensor platform that has RF field sensitivity approaching thermal noise level validated and tested at SHF band with spectral resolution of less than 1 Hz. This revolutionary method pushes the fundamental device limitations well below the thermal noise floor. And the winner is Cold Quanta with Maxwell, their quantum RF sensor platform.
Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it
since 1966. Might have had your fill, but feel it still. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Might be over now, feel it still. We could fight a war for peace.
The next category is medical. The finalists are PowerMat and Canary Medical. The winning product is uniquely designed for small form factor medical devices. It transmits power without a microcontroller on the receiver side. Even though there is no communication on the receiver, it guarantees proper charging of the battery or a fixed voltage output by using the power transfer algorithms in the transmitter only. And the winning company is PowerMat with their PMT100 wireless power solution.
Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel good creeping up on you, so just dance, dance, dance. Come on, all those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling, so just dance, dance, dance.
The next category is MEMS. The finalists are Instrumentation, Analog Devices, Fluso, and Infineon Technologies. The winning product is the first and only MEMS nanosensor that accurately measures flow, temperature, gas concentration, and detects bubbles using a single sensor. The winner is Instrumentation with their multi-sense platform. And now we have the optical and cameras category. The finalists are Seek Thermal and GigaJot Technology, Inc. The winning product is a high-performance thermal core camera with the smallest footprint on the market. The product is designed for high-volume applications and is compatible with multi-purpose host processors, common in mobile, wearable, and UAV devices. And the winner is Seek Thermal with Microcore.
I feel glorious, glorious. Got a chance to start again. I was born for this, born for this. It's who I am. How could I forget? I made it through the darkest part of the night, and now I see the sunrise. Now I feel glorious, glorious.
Our final product category is wearables. The finalists are Stratos Labs, Synaptics, AMS Osram, and Cura Technologies. The winning product is the leading pulmonary management solution revolutionizing lung health. It is the world's only FDA-cleared biosensor that is clinically validated to detect both coughing, wheezing, rhonchi, and other adventitious breathing sounds over time without requiring episodic patient intervention. The winner is Stratos Labs with their RESP Smart Sensor Platform.
'Cause the players gonna play, 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 and the haters gonna hate, 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 baby. I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake it off, shake it off. Heartbreakers gonna break, 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 and the fakers gonna fake, 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 baby. I'm just gonna shake, shake, shake.
Now we move on to the two individual awards. The first category up is Startup of the Year. This company, founded by 3 scientists, manufactures next-gen solid-state LiDAR sensors used for automotive, autonomous, and industrial IoT applications. They provide perception solutions to create a safer, smarter, and more efficient world from automotive OEMs and suppliers, including Mercedes, Audi, and Continental to people counting at the Frankfurt Airport to bulk material volume measurement at Sattelbaum mines, perimeter security, drone obstacle detection, and more. The winning company for Startup of the Year is Blickfeld. And our final category, Woman of the Year. The winner of this award has named her mission to transform lives by advancing safe mobility and smart communities, and is passionate about making the world a more inclusive and universally accessible place for all. Starting her professional career first as a social worker and then in special education, she has worked tirelessly to support both adults and children with disabilities. She shifted from the public sphere to the private sector and was able to continue her passion and dedication to education as the Communication and Education Manager at Velodyne. Since joining the company, she's grown and moved to different roles in communication and business development, now serving as the Chief Marketing Officer. During this time, she developed and coordinated the communication strategy that supported the company's IPO transition from private to public. In the midst of the pandemic, her team, mostly comprised of women, was able to convey the importance of a woman-centric event to the leadership team. Now here's a brief video from her herself.
I'm so proud to be working at Velodyne LiDAR, which creates smart technology for a world in motion to advance safety, sustainability, and equity on a global scale. I'd like to thank all of the women who have mentored, supported, and collaborated with me, and I'm so excited to lend my support to the next generation of women who are coming up in this field. So thank you so much for this amazing honor. It means a lot to me.
And now it gives me great pleasure to announce passionate educator, fearless leader, and advocate Sally Frickman from Velodyne LiDAR as the Sensors Woman of the Year.
You, I forget just why I left you. I was insane.
Thank you, everyone, for your time. We are delighted to unveil the 2022 Best of Class Sensors winners, and a huge congratulations to all of you. Thank you.